What's up athletes, how are you doing? Welcome to this exciting cardio workout for beginners by HealthifyMe. My name is Jay, I'll be your trainer for today's session, taking you through this cardio workout. I've brought to you 6 hand-picked exercises for today's workout. It's going to work on your entire body and do wonders for you. This workout is good for beginners who want to begin their fitness journey and those of you who have some experience in fitness. You guys can increase the intensity a little bit, making it more challenging for you. Before we move any further, let me tell you that we have just begun creating new content. If you have not yet followed our channel, go and hit the bell button and stay tuned to Healthify Me. Hey guys, let's begin this workout with high knees. We're going to be doing 45 seconds for all the exercise today, starting with high knees. So you're going to start off here, just lifting your knees up as high as you can. Let's start off now for 45 seconds. Hey guys, that was the end of high knees. Good job so far. Before we move any further, let me tell you that we have just begun creating new content and we'll be uploading these videos in the coming weeks. HealthifyMe is going to be the perfect companion to guide you with your perfect health, whether it's to lose weight, do a diet plan, nutrition tips, or handle medical conditions like diabetes, thyroid, and hypertension, or even build muscle and get in the perfect shape. If you have not yet followed our channel, go and hit the bell button and stay tuned to HealthifyMe's YouTube channel. Hey guys, let's move into the second workout now. Spot jumps for the next 45 seconds. This is a great full body warm-up. I'm just going to show you how to do it. On the spot, 45 seconds. So let's start off now in 3, 2, and start off. Guys, good job. We're done with spot jumps now. Hey guys, we're going to move on to the third exercise now, mountain climbers. A great exercise for your cardio as well as your lower core. So to begin, you start from a flank and you're going to just kick your legs in front just like this, or a little quicker if possible. So we're going to do this now for 45 seconds again, beginning in 3, 2, and start off. Okay, and we're done with the mountain climbers. Good job. On to the fourth exercise now, jumping jacks. A great whole body cardio movement again. I'm just going to show it to you before we begin. Just like that, nice and simple. 45 seconds again on my cue. We'll start in 3, 2, and begin. And that's it, guys. Good job on the jumping jacks. Nice work. Before we move any further, let me tell you that we have just begun creating new content and we'll be uploading these videos in the coming weeks. HealthifyMe is going to be the perfect companion to guide you with your perfect health, whether it's to lose weight, do a diet plan, nutrition tips, or handle medical conditions like diabetes, thyroid, and hypertension, or even build muscle and get in the perfect shape. If you have not subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and stay tuned to HealthifyMe's YouTube channel. Let's move on to the next exercise. Let's begin with the fifth exercise now, which is a squat jump. It's a combination of a squat along with the jump. So just here, down, and up. So we're going to do the same thing now, 45 seconds once again. Let's start off now in 3, 2, and begin. Nice work, guys. That was tiring. Now we're going to move on to the last and the sixth exercise. The last and final exercise we're going to move to is a sprawl. A sprawl is a scaled down version of a burpee, so you're not going to touch your chest to the floor. Let me just show you one. So we're going to do that once again, 45 seconds on my cue. Let's start off now in 3, 2, and start off. And that's it, guys. Nice work. Last exercise done as well. Good job. Cardio workout for beginners is done. Add this to your own personal playlist and come back and do this workout 3 to 4 times a week for a month. You can repeat the number of rounds for 3 to 5 rounds and increase the intensity as per your choice. This will help you burn more calories, get leaner and stronger. Whenever you're working out, make sure you have plenty of protein, keep your sugar under tabs, drink plenty of water, and make sure you get sufficient rest to let your body recover. Let us know in the comments below on how you found the workout, and stay tuned to the HealthifyMe YouTube channel for more content on workouts, diet plans, weight loss, medical wellness, and much more. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, save the video in the Watch Later tab, and create a personal playlist for yourself. Subscribe to the HealthifyMe YouTube channel if you haven't, hit the bell icon if you haven't missed it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.